Okay, so unfortunately they've sold out of marshmallow eggs in Newland's New World. Shouldn't have left it too late. So instead I've gone online, checking out the Whittaker's marshmallow egg recipe. All you need is a raw egg, a lasagna tray full of flour, a bit of chocolate and sugar and gelatin, and you're away laughing, mate. So it looks like the Easter Bogan is going to be visiting our house after all. Sugar and water over a low heat until it dissolves. And so now I spent a few minutes beating this with an egg beater. So now we have a bunch of half eggs and some chocolate that has been melted down with coconut oil. I'm now going to attempt to dip the eggs into the chocolate. Okay, and I'm basically now going to just be smearing chocolate on them because it seems to be the easiest way. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Alright, this is somewhat unorthodox, but I'm covering them in the most efficient way I can so that the marshmallow doesn't melt. Alright, look at this. I have chocolatey hands and look at these are looking pretty awesome. They're not perfect, but thumbs up. Now we just have to wait for these to set and stick them together with the leftover chocolate. Just need to go and wash my hands now. Okay, this is the moment of truth. It actually looks really good. How cool is that?